Question 1. Caitlin has 5 out of 2 as many rubber bands as Jane. So we can say that Caitlin has 5 units and Jane has 2 units. Candice has 2 times as many rubber bands as Jane. So question A wants us to find out the ratio of the number of rubber bands Caitlin has to the number of rubber bands Jane has. And from our first sentence, we can deduce that the ratio of Caitlin to Jane is equals to 5 to 2. So that's your answer for part A. Moving on to part B, what is the ratio of the number of rubber bands Candice has to the total number of rubber bands the 3 children have? So first thing we want to do is write out all our ratios. So we know that Catalin to Jane is equals to 5 to 2. And we know that Candice has 2 times as many rubber bands as Jane. So we can say that Candice has 2 units and Jane has 1 unit. And we realize that we have an identical repeated variable, which is Jane. So we have to make the number of units for Jane the same. And between 1 and 2, the lowest common multiple is 2. So we make J into 2, and we do this by multiplying 1 by 2. So we do the same for Candice, and we will get 4. So now we can put all of these ratios together. So we will have Caitlin to Candice to Jane. And since Jane has the same units, we can combine them. So we will have 5 to 4 to 2. And the question wants us to find the ratio of the number of rubber bands Candice has to the total number of rubber bands the 3 children have. And this would be 4 to 5 plus 4 plus 2, which gives us 11. So this is your final answer for question 1B.